Welcome to English Rhythm Lab. I'm Lean, and I'm glad you're here. A lot of English learners know more English than they think they do. The problem usually isn't vocabulary or grammar. The problem is that real life happens fast. You're standing in a shop. You want to ask a simple question. You know the words, but somehow they don't come out. And suddenly, the moment is gone. If that has ever happened to you, don't worry. You're not alone. The solution isn't learning more rules. The solution is practice. Real practice. Speaking useful sentences again and again until they start to feel natural. Today we'll practice simple shopping English that people use every day. Asking where things are, checking prices, choosing products, and paying at the checkout. You'll hear 28 useful sentences. Each sentence is repeated 3 times. That's 84 chances to train your speaking rhythm, build confidence, and make these phrases easier to use in real life. Don't just listen. Repeat every sentence out loud with me. If you make a mistake, that's perfectly fine. Just keep going. Ready? Let's begin. Excuse me, where is the milk? Excuse me, where is the milk? Excuse me, where is the milk? I'm looking for bread. I'm looking for bread. I'm looking for bread. Nice. Keep going. Can you help me find the eggs? Can you help me find the eggs? Can you help me find the eggs? Where are the vegetables? Where are the vegetables? Where are the vegetables? Do you have any apples? Do you have any apples? Do you have any apples? I need some rice. I need some rice. I need some rice. You're doing great. Is this aisle for drinks? Is this aisle for drinks? Is this aisle for drinks? Good job. You've already practiced 7 useful shopping sentences. Notice how some of them are starting to feel more familiar. That's exactly what we want. You don't need to memorize these phrases. You need to use them, and repetition is what helps bridge that gap. Let's keep going. How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? How much are these tomatoes? How much are these tomatoes? How much are these tomatoes? Keep that rhythm going. Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? Can I see that one? Can I see that one? Can I see that one? Is this fresh? Is this fresh? Is this fresh? Nice work. What's the price of the chicken? What's the price of the chicken? What's the price of the chicken? You're halfway there. Take a moment to appreciate that. 14 sentences completed. Many learners stop after a few minutes. You're still here, still speaking, and that's where progress happens. Remember, confidence isn't built by knowing English. It's built by using English. Let's move on. I'll take this one. I'll take this one. I'll take this one. I'll take 2, please. I'll take 2, please. I'll take 2, please. Can I have a bag? Can I have a bag? Can I have a bag? I don't need a bag, thanks. I don't need a bag, thanks. I don't need a bag, thanks. You're sounding more confident already. Do you have anything cheaper? Do you have anything cheaper? Do you have anything cheaper? I'll just get these, thanks. I'll just get these, thanks. I'll just get these, thanks. I'm still looking, thank you. I'm still looking, thank you. I'm still looking, thank you. Excellent. Take a moment to notice how much smoother these phrases feel now compared to the beginning of the lesson. Maybe not perfect, maybe not effortless yet, but definitely easier. That's the power of practice. Little improvements repeated over time become real confidence. And you're almost there. Just one more section to go. I'm ready to pay. I'm ready to pay. I'm ready to pay. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Do you take cash? Do you take cash? Do you take cash? Can I have a receipt? Can I have a receipt? Can I have a receipt? Almost there. Keep your voice strong. I don't need a receipt, thanks. I don't need a receipt, thanks. I don't need a receipt, thanks. Do you have a loyalty card? Do you have a loyalty card? Do you have a loyalty card? Last sentence. Take a breath. Say it clearly and confidently. Thank you, have a nice day. Thank you, have a nice day. Thank you, have a nice day. Fantastic work. Today you practiced 28 useful shopping sentences and completed 84 repetitions. But more importantly, you practiced speaking. You didn't just learn English. You used English. And that's a big difference. Reading helps. Listening helps. But speaking is what turns knowledge into communication. Every time you complete a lesson like this, you're training your brain and your mouth to work together a little more naturally. The next time you're in a supermarket, convenience store, or local shop, these phrases will be there when you need them. Not because you memorize them, but because you've practiced them. And every real conversation you have from now on becomes another opportunity to grow. So be patient with yourself. Keep showing up. Keep speaking. And keep building confidence one sentence at a time. If you enjoyed practicing with me today, subscribe to English Rhythm Lab. We create simple, practical shadowing lessons to help you speak more naturally, more confidently, and with less hesitation. And tell me in the comments, what should we practice next? At the airport? Making phone calls? Talking to neighbors? Ordering food? Or maybe something completely different? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for spending a few minutes practicing with me today. Take care, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson.